Welcome to our channel, Quaint Cosmos. You know, chemotherapy is saving millions of lives worldwide. This is being used extensively worldwide, and really it's saving millions of lives. But chemotherapy comes with various problems. So many problems are there. Side effects are maximum in case of chemotherapy, that is known to you. Then it leads to different problems such as why it leads to different problems, because chemotherapy does not target only the cancerous cells, only the cancer cells. It also targets the healthy tissues. That is the problem with chemotherapy. Means this is not a kind of targeted therapy. Chemotherapy is not a kind of targeted therapy. That's why the problem is there. Like hair loss, nausea, then immune system is weakened due to chemotherapy. So various problems are there, and that's why scientists are exploring new ways to treat and diagnose cancer. Okay, and one of those, so many ways are there. Simultaneously those ways are being explored by the scientists, and one of those ways is photonics. Photonics is what? You can say photonics as the optical equivalent of electronics. You know electronics, so this is nothing but optical equivalent of electronics. Photonics. So in case of photonics, what is used? Actually, light is used, means photon particles, particles of light. Photons are used in case of photonics, either in the form of laser or other form of light. Is used both for diagnosis and treatment of different diseases, and here in this video we are talking about only cancer. How to treat cancer with photonics. What is the advantage of photonics? Targeted therapy is possible by photonics. Speed is much higher in case of photonics. So targeted therapy is possible. That means healthy tissues are spared. Only cancer cells are targeted. Drugs reach to only cancer cells, but healthy tissues or healthy cells are not affected by the drug when photonics is used. Again, versatility is there if you use photonics, because this can treat diseases, or here in this case cancers. Also, this can be used to detect, means diagnosis, for the purpose of diagnosis of diseases. These photonics can be used, such as OCT is there, optical coherence tomography. That is a medical imaging technique by which at early stages of cancer those things can be detected. OCT. Then spectroscopy is there, laser spectroscopy is there. That is also a kind of medical imaging technique which can detect cancer at their early stages. And you know that if cancers are detected at their early stages, then treatment becomes easier. Treatment becomes effective. So for not only to increase the effectiveness of cancer treatment, but also to make cancer treatments painless and side effect free, photonics are used extensively, especially in Europe, in the United States. They are using photonics. One specific example I am giving you in this video, that is called photodynamic therapy, or in short PDT, photodynamic therapy. In that case, what is done actually? How this works actually? In that case, light sensitive drugs, which are called photosensitizer, light sensitive drugs are injected into the patient's body. Then those drugs accumulate in the cancer cells, but the non-cancer cells or the healthy tissues are largely remain unaffected. Okay, therefore a focused beam of light or laser is targeted at the tumor and that way the drug is activated and there is a formation of oxygen-like substance, and then that thing kills the cancer cells. Okay, so that is the way. That means light is being used here, laser or any specific wavelength of light is being used here to activate that photosensitizer or the light sensitive drug. And therefore a form of oxygen is produced and that thing kills the cancer cells. So that is the way of using PDT or photodynamic therapy for the treatment of cancer. Anyway, so since this procedure is highly focused, because you can focus the light beams or the laser with much accuracy, means highly precision techniques are these. Okay, that's why scientists are exploring this technology. Not only this photonics, nanophotonics is also there. Scientists are also exploring the field of nanophotonics, where nanoparticles are combined with light to treat cancer. So that is called nanophotonics. Okay. Not only cancer, other diseases are also there. So scientists are doing the same thing. Okay. In that case, nanoparticles are combined with light. So treatment is possible at the molecular level in that case. That means very soon we are going to a future where the treatment of cancer will become very easy. Means easier than at present. It would become painless. It would become side effect free. Still now, what is the condition at present? Cancer means panic. Cancer creates panic in the minds of the patients. But in near future, we can say that there will be no panic at all if any person gets affected by cancer. Okay, we can hope like that. Am I right? Anyway, so this was all about today's topic. Okay, so we are trying to, what scientists are trying to do, they are trying to avoid chemotherapy. Instead, they are trying to use other techniques. Anyway, and out of those techniques, one technique is photonics. Anyway, so this was all about today's video, and this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.